Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can easily install X apps and also PC games on your Android devices. And yes, you can run Windows program on your phone. Now let's get started. But before we begin, just a quick note, you need to know that exe files are made for Windows, so they won't run normally on Android. But we can still use them by installing a Windows a Windows emulator app. And don't worry, it's super easy. So the first thing you need is an app that can run Windows programs. So first you can just head into the Play Store and search for example, WinLater, one of the apps. It's called WinLater. It's fast and also lightweight. This one, or you can also use Exa Gear. It's older but good for some apps. So for example, in here I'm going to just use WinLater. You can just install it on your phone, and after that you can open the applications. So when you open WinLater for the first time, it will ask you to create a container. This is basically your mini Windows system. So you can just press on the plus button and create a container in here. You can choose your CPU settings, but default is fine, and select the display resolution. I think you can just keep everything on default if you are not sure. So just click on a check icon in here, and WinLater will create the container. You can just after that you can import your exe file. So download the exe file you want to install. You can save it in your downloads folder, and after that you can go back to the WinLater apps, and in here you can just go to the file manager, or you can just click on a play button directly and you'll see this Windows like environment. So you can just find the exe file. Let's just wait, it's still starting up. Okay, so this is how it will look like. You can just tap the exe file and WinLater will start installing it just like on Windows computer. And this works great for lightweight PC apps, older games, and also simple programs. So heavy games might lag because they need real Windows drivers. So after the installation finishes, you'll see the app icon inside the WinLater. Just tap and open it and enjoy running your Windows program on Android. So that's how you can install and run X apps or games on an Android device. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on a thanks. And I'll see you in the next video.